Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about rainbow milk experiment. Now let's do the experiment. So for this you need dishwashing liquid, milk, a plate and 2 food colors and a bird. I have taken the food color in a tube. Okay, first you take the milk and pour it inside the plate. Next, take one of the food color and put it inside the milk. Now take the pot and dip it inside the liquid. Let's learn the science behind it. Do you think the food color will move? Generally, milk contains fat, protein, and vitamins. When you add the dishwashing liquid, the soap breaks the surface tension. So, the soap molecules chase the fat molecules. So, the food colors move all around all over the milk. Thank you. Bye. See you next video.